Mother was right, wasn't she? She was always worried to let you go far, but about going to Canada, the story was different. She told you, Canada is Behesht. You came here all alone, lonely and scared, left everything behind except some family pictures and your sitar. You got to Canada and your instrument fell down and broke. That moment I thought, if I die here, I have no one to come to me. But your sitar still plays despite being broken, almost as a sign. Do you still remember when you placed top 10 in that architecture competition? Or when your project manager professors were proud of you? Your professor back home saw that you have it in you, and professors in Conestoga did the same. Future Farzaneh, are you still following your dreams? Do you remember your family and friends' faces when you were graduating in architecture engineering and how they're proud of you? Are you working in an architectural firm in Canada, leading your team and working on site with the yellow safety hat, doing operation or design? What are verities? I hope you love it. Do you still play your sitar by the river whenever you feel so lonely? You were never alone with your family's support. And never forget how they helped you whenever you needed them. Always remember, you are building the things here that you miss about home. Family, friends, and opportunity to do what you love and make you happy. پس هر چیزی را که اینجا انجام میدی حتما به حسابت میاد. Yours truly, فرزانه.